Down sung the bell with a gurgling sound, the bubbles rose and burst around. Finally, that completely that bell, Inchcape bell, which was fixed by the person, the abbot of Heberbrodick, has been completely broken, and it was done by Sir Ralph. ଆମେ ଏତିକି ଯାଇ ଜାଣିଥିଲୁ ହେଲା। ବେଲ୍ଟିକୁ ସେ ସେଠରୁ ପୁରା ରିମୁଭ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ। ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ଡ ବାଇ ସାର୍ ରାଲ୍ଫ ଏ ରୋଭର। ହଁ, down sung the bell with a gurgling sound. It created a noise when it was broken, when it had been broken by the person, Sir Ralph. There were some sounds. There were some sounds, and the bubbles rose. ପାଣି ଫୋଟକା ମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗିଲା, and it burst around. ପାଣି ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ ହେବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। Quoth Sir Ralph, the next who comes to the rock won't bless the abbot of Heberbrodick. I told you that the person, Sir Ralph, voilà, was jealous open the abbot of Heberbrodick, and he wanted to cause pain or to harm people. And what did he do in the next? He broke that Inchcape bell from the top of the Inchcape rock. It created a sound, and bubbles rose and burst around, and that Inchcape bell was completely drowned into the water. ପାଣି ଭିତରେ ସେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା, ବୁଡ଼ିଗଲା, ବୁଝିହେଲା। And after that it created some noise. Then he thought himself, and he started talking to himself, okay, Sir Ralph, that the next who comes to the rock won't bless the abbot of Heberbrodick. Whomever comes to the sea will never bless the abbot of Heberbrodick. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯିଏ ବି ଆସିବ ସମୁଦ୍ରକୁ, mariners ହଉ, travelers ହଉ, they won't bless the abbot of Heberbrodick for his good job or wonderful job. ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଭଲ କାମ ପାଇଁ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେହି ପ୍ରଶଂସା କରିବା ନାହିଁ, because now there was no Inchcape bell, କାହିଁକି ନା ସେଠି ଆଉ ବେଲ୍ ନଥିଲା। So open the page number 110. We are moving to the next unit, unit 3. Sir Ralph the rover sailed away. He scoured the seas for many a day. And now, grown rich with plundered store, he steers his course for Scotland's shore. So, sailed away ମାନେ ହେଉଛି ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେବ, sailed away ମାନେ ସେ ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼ି ସେ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାବର୍ତ୍ତନ, he came back to his own place or he wanted to take his own position, ବୁଝିଗଲା। he scoured the seas for many a day. Scored ଲେଖ, SCOUR ରୁ scored ରହିଛି ହେଲା। The past tense of score is scored, ବୁଝିଗଲା। The meaning of score ହେଉଛି ସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଟାଇମ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ସି, ହେଲା। ସମୁଦ୍ରରେ ଯେଉଁ ସମୟ ବିତେଇବାଟା, ବହୁତ ଦିନ ଅତିବାହିତ କରିବା ବା କିଛି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟରେ ଲିପ୍ତ ରହିବା, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସ୍କୋର, ହେଲା। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଲେଖି ସାରିଲ। ହଁ, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡୁ वी नो अबाउट ସ୍କୋର? ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ he was spending his time there in the sea by which method, କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସେ କରୁଥିଲେ? by collecting money from the travelers, collecting, and he was going to store what properties of people, ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି, ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଟଙ୍କା ପଇସା ଧନ ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥିଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା। and he used to force travelers, those who came on the sea, ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଜାହାଜ ହଉ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ବି ଆସୁଥିଲେ, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେ ପଇସା ବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ଜୋର ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ଆଣୁଥିଲେ। because I told you he was a rover, ଡକାୟତ ଥିଲେ, and he was doing his job properly there in the sea. And now grown rich with plundered store, by treasured properties he became a rich person, ହେଲା। ଧନୀ ହେଇଥିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ। and he had collected a large amount of properties, ହେଲା। he had a large store. he steers his course for Scotland shore. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ? he wanted to go back to his own place, ହେଲା। he wanted to go back to his home after doing his job there in the sea, ବୁଝିହେଲା। so steer, STEER, steer ମାନେ ଆସିଯିବା, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟାବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବା, ଚାଲିବା, ଯିବା, ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିବା, ଯାହା କିଛି ଲେଖିପାର, ହେଲା। so ହଁ, thick, next stanza. so thick a hedge o'er spreads the sky, they cannot see the sun on high, the wind hath blown gale all day, at evening it hath died away, ବୁଝିହେଲା। so ଏଠି ଯେଉଁ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି thick ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଲେଖ thick, ହଁ, ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଠିକ୍ ଲେଖ, ତାପରେ ହେଜ୍ ଲେଖ, ହଁ ଠିକ୍, ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ THICK, ଠିକ୍ ଲେଖ। ଠିକ୍ ମାନେ ମୋଟା, ହେଜ୍
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ମାନେ କୁହୁଡ଼ି ହେଲା,
ହୁଁ।
HAZD, ହେଜ୍ କୁହୁଡ଼ି।
କୁହୁଡ଼ି।
ତାପରେ ଲେଖ ହାତ, HATH, ହାତର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ହାର୍ଡ଼।
HATS।
ହଁ, ହାତର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ହାର୍ଡ଼। ଗେଲ୍, GALE, ଗେଲ୍ ବୋଲେ ଷ୍ଟର୍ମ।
ହଁ ଯେ ମାନେ storm हजुर।
ଲେଖି ସାରିଲ ଏତିକି।
हजुर।
So now we are going to discuss the story of second stanza. So thick heads, it spreads the sky. They cannot see the sun on high. The wind hath blown gale all day. At evening it hath died away. That means there was thick heads on the sky. It was spread over the sky. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ there was fog on the sky. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଆକାଶରେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା, the weather was not quite comfortable for the mariners now.
हजुर।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ଆଉ କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ନଥିଲା. After breaking that Inchcape bell from the top of the Inchcape rock, the person Sir Ralph wanted to come back to his home and he had started his journey, his course for Scotland shore. ହେଲା, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ?
हजुर।
So thick haze here spreads the sky. They cannot see the sun on high, and it was quite difficult task on the part of the mariners to see the sun on the sky. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆଉ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଦେଖାଯାଉ ନଥିଲେ. As I told you in the previous sentence that there was fog in the sky and it was spread over the sky. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପୁରା ଆକାଶ ସାରା କୁହୁଡ଼ି ଦେଖାଯାଉଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁ ଠିକ୍ କହିଲି ମାନେ ମୋଟା କୁହୁଡ଼ି, ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା it was too difficult task to see the direction where to go. ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ? ଯେଉଁଠି ଯିବା ଦରକାର ସେ ଡିରେକ୍ସନ୍ ଆଉ ଦେଖିପାରୁନଥିଲେ, କାହିଁକି? there was no light, everywhere there was darkness. ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ? କାହିଁକି? the sky was fully covered with the thick haze, ମୋଟା କୁହୁଡ଼ି ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆବୃତ ହୋଇକି ରହିଯାଇଥିଲା, and they were not even able to see the sun on the day time. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦିନରେ ଆଉ ସେ ଦେଖିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ. the wind hath blown gale all day. gale, GALE, gale ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ଷ୍ଟର୍ମ, ଝଡ଼, ଜୋର ପବନ ବହିବା, that is gale.
हजुर।
The wind hath blown gale all day. At evening it hath died away. And during that particular time, when the sky was fully covered with the thick haze or fog, they were not able to see the sun on the sky. On that particular time, there was storm in the sky. The weather was not quite comfortable for the mariners, and it didn't suit to travel, or it didn't suit them to start the journey or to go back to his country. ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଶକୁ ସେ ଫେରିଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା ଚଲାଇଥିଲେ, it was going to be destroyed completely because there was storm. It was indicating that there was a strong storm which was about to come, and it was going to destroy those people, those who were there on the ship, ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଜାହାଜରେ ଥିଲେ, and who had completely broken that Inchcape bale from the Inchcape rock. ହେଲା, ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଧ୍ୱଂସ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେ ଜାହାଜଟି। କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଦେଖ, the storm was started at that time and at evening it hath died away. ତାପରେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା? it became more stronger, the gale or the storm became more stronger. ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ? and the wind was increasing hour by hour, time by time, and it was too difficult task to see the directions and go back to their country. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ତାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ସ୍କଟଲାଣ୍ଡ ସମୁଦ୍ର ଉପକୂଳକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥିଲେ, the team which was led by the person Sir Ralph, ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ? they came across a gale, ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟର୍ମର ଶିକାର ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ, and at evening the storm became more stronger. ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଝଡ଼ଟି ଆସିଥିଲା ସେ ବହୁତ ଆହୁରି ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ହେଇଗଲା। ବୁଝିହେଲା? now it was the dangerous position for them and it was too difficult task to be survived from there. ସେଠୁ ବଞ୍ଚିବାଟା ଏତେ ସହଜ ନଥିଲା, and those people which was led by the person Sir Ralph was trying to be rescued, ବଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ ବା ସର୍ଭାଇଭ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନିଜକୁ ସେ ବହୁତ ଚେଷ୍ଟା ଚଲାଇଥିଲେ. on the deck the rover takes its stand, so dark if they see no land. quoth Sir Ralph, it will be lighter soon, for there is the dawn of the rising moon. ତାପରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି? on the deck now the person, the rover Sir Ralph felt that it was too difficult task to survive from this storm. ସେ ଜାଣି ସାରିଲେ ଏଠୁ ବଞ୍ଚିବାଟା ଟିକେ କଷ୍ଟ ଅଛି, but he was not confirmed yet. He thought that his team would help him, but it was going to be a tall task. ଗୋଟେ କଠିନ କାମ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ, and that is why the person Sir Ralph took his position. He went to his stand. ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୋଜିସନ୍ ନେଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା? and he saw everywhere there was darkness से देखिले सबुआडे अंधार देखा जाउतला and he was not able to see no land nearby places से जगह रे से कौन प्रकार आउ दीप की कौन प्रकार स्थल भाग से देखि पारुनांती and it seems that they were going to face difficulties now बर्तमान यह जना पड़ुला जे से माने अति शीघ्र कौन प्रकार समस्या सम्मुखीन होपा जाउचंती quote Sir Ralph it will be lighter soon and a member or an assistant of his team told to the person Sir Ralph that it would be lighter soon हाँ से जने संग जने assistant तांको कहिला बा he just was trying to feel him relaxed he said to the person Sir Ralph it would be lighter soon अति शीघ्र उज्जवल हे जिवा आज्ञा you should not worry about it we are making it आमे जिनस जल्दी सॉल्व करबा and we will go back to our country as soon as possible and you should be relaxed you should feel relaxed that is what a person or an assistant of that team said to the person Sir Ralph it will be lighter soon जल्दी एटा उज्जवल हे जिवो आपण भयभीत हेबा दरकार नै बोली कर जने मेंबर कहूची काको Sir Ralph को बुझिला for there is the dawn of the rising moon and he also said to the person काको Sir Ralph हला कोन कहूची से जे don't worry sir we are going to see the sun very soon see the moon very soon आमे अति शीघ्र जह्न देखिबा and it would help us and it would give direction to go back to our country or to the Scotland shore बुझिला कि समुद्र स्कॉटलैंड समुद्र उपकूलवर्ती एक जगह को जीवा पई हमको कोन सहाय्य करिवो द राइजिंग मून एंड द मून विल बी राइजिंग वेरी सून जल्दी हमरो जह्न देखा जिवो ऑन द स्काई एंड वी विल फाइंड अ डायरेक्शन टू गो बैक टू आवर shore for there is the dawn of the rising moon but देखो in the next stanza canst hear said one the breakers roar for me thinks we should be near the shore now where we are I cannot tell but I wish I could hear the Inchcape bell so another person or another team member of that particular team which was led by the person Sir Ralph हाँ the breakers roar से गर्जन करने लगिला for me thinks we should be near the shore हाँ canst माने cannot बुझिला जोटा कुआ होची कैंस्ट बोले कैन हियर सेड वन मु सुनी पारि थांती बा मु सुनी पारि फॉर मी थिंक्स वी शुड बी नियर द शोर नाउ one of the member of that ship said to the master or said to the person Sir Ralph we should be near the shore actually that one of the member was asked by Sir Ralph where exactly we are आमे को जगह प्रकृत रछि बोली करी Sir Ralph का को पचार जंती इठी जणे असिस्टेंट को बा जणे मेंबर ऑफ दैट शिप बुझे लगे ने and that person said to the person Sir Ralph that can hear can strokes अर्थ होची can hear said one the breakers roar for me thinks as per his statement he had said to the person we should be near the shore आमे वर्तमान समुद्र उपकूलवर्ती बा आम घर पाखापाखि जगार थिबा अवस्थित होइथिबा बोली कर से कहउछन्ती बट now I cannot say where exactly we are के कहउची one of the team member of the ship said to the person Sir Ralph I cannot tell you the exact direction of that or exact position of the ship because I am not able to hear the sound and the noise of that Inchcape whale which was fixed and which was recently broken by the person Sir Ralph.
The person you are speaking with has
For me thinks we should be near the shore now where we are I cannot tell but I wish I could hear the Inchcape bell. So when a team member was asked by Sir Ralph तांको पचारले where exactly where or what is the position of our ship and one of the breakers बोली कहले one of the assistant of that member one of the assistant of Sir Ralph said to the person Sir Ralph who was there on the ship जे ship रे थिला से Sir Ralph को कहउची canst hear said one the breakers roar for me thinks we should be near the shore actually he is not able to say the exact location of the ship but he is expecting that he or the ship must be there near the shore पाखापाखि समुद्र उपकूलवर्ती पहुंची जावा कथा किंतु now where we are I cannot tell he said to the person Sir Ralph that I cannot say you the exact location of the ship because I am not able to hear or the noise of that Inchcape bell but I wish I could hear the Inchcape bell now he said or he thinks himself he could hear the Inchcape bell से चेष्टा करूची Inchcape bell sound सुनिया पई and then he could say the exact location of the ship but before that it was too difficult task on the part of one of the mariner of the ship to tell the exact location of the ship. से बर्तमान कही पारिबो नाही exact location कोठी अछि बोली कर से जे कथा confirm कला काको
କହିପାରିବ ନାହିଁ
काको confirm कला
ସାର୍ ରାଲ୍ଫ
very good sir ralph को से confirm करले बुझिला so the here no sound the swell is strong though the wind hath fallen they drift along till the vessels strike with a shivering shock. Oh Christ, it is the Inchcape Rock. Now they were not able to hear any noise or any sound. Bujela, they hear no the story or the meaning of the very first sentence. They hear no sound. The swell is strong. Bujela, the meaning of swell, SWELL, तरंग वा ज्वार है अधिका फुलिवा ज्वार जेतबेले अधिका होउची that is the swell is strong, it was going stronger है though the wind hath fallen they drift along आसिके एकाठी हेबा that is drift DRIFT
କଣ ଲାଗି ସାର୍
माने समस्त झड़ आसिके एकाठी हेबा बा एकाठी हेई कोठी शिप रे बाजिबा है though the wind hath fallen they drift along till the vessels strike with a shivering shock माने the storm entered into the ship बुझेला the storm बा जोटा कुछ the gale which was going stronger time by time it came and gathered and it entered into the ship and there was no chance to be survived from that dangerous situation till the vessel strikes with a shivering shock. At the meantime what happened
ମାନେ
vessels बोली कहले जो जहाजर अंश that is vessels बुझेला
ହଁ ସାର୍
So till the vessel strikes with a shivering shock. Oh Christ, it is the Inchcape Rock. Now they all heard a noise and a sound, and that was the sound of that Inchcape Rock. There was a shivering shock. That vessel, that means the ship, was struck by the Inchcape Rock. बर्तमान का द्वारा जे धोखा ହେଇଛି बर्तमान
ଇନସ୍କେପ୍ ରକ୍
हाँ Inchcape Rock को जाके धोखा ହେଇଛି and there was a noise created from there and they all heard the sound of the strike of that ship with the Inchcape Rock.
rock
हाँ that mountain or that जो बड़ पत्थर थिला जो पर्वत थिला ता सहित जाके धोखा ଦେଇଛି and in the next stanza Sir Ralph the rover tore his hair, he cursed himself in his despair, the waves rush in on every side and माने आमे कोई पर tore his hair, the meaning of that is he was in fear. Sir Ralph the rover was in fear, he cursed himself in his despair. से बर्तमान निजको अभिशाप दउचंती कि we are discussing 1 2 3 4 5 6 stanza 6 6 stanza the very first line Sir Ralph the rover tore his hair हाँ माने छुट्टी ये ही जीवा बुझिला कि ने जोड़ा कोचु he was in fear हाँ से भय होइथिले he cursed himself in his despair he cursed himself in his despair the waves rush in on every side the ship is sinking beneath the tide बुझिला beneath माने पानी तळे beneath होची तळे
ତଳେ
ଯେମିତି ଦେଖ Sir Ralph the rover tore his hair, he cursed himself in his despair, he cursed himself in his despair से वर्तमान उभे जाउथले he was not able to come out and he was going to be drowned into the water ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଣି ଭିତରେ ସେ ବୁଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ବୁଝିହେଲା and there was no chance to be survived or to be rescued ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନା ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ବା ଉଦ୍ଧାର ପାଇବାର କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ରାସ୍ତା ନଥିଲା and he was going to be confirmed himself that there was no chance to be survived से ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ confirm ହେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଯେ there was no chance to be survived ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ ବଞ୍ଚିବାର ପରିସ୍ଥିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ and the meaning of despair ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ନିରାଶା ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ the waves rush in on every side waves କହିଲେ ଜୁଆର ବା ତରଙ୍ଗ ବା जो ढेउ ପାଣି जो waves ଜୁଆର ଆକାର जो ପାଣି ଆସିଲା it rushed in on every side that means the waves
ଏଟା ଚାରିଆଡେ
entered into the ship ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ship हाँ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଜାହାଜ ଭିତରେ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରକାର ଜୁଆର ଆସିକିରି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲା ବା ପାଣି ଆସିକିରି ପହଞ୍ଚି ଗଲା and the ship is sinking beneath the tide now the ship was sinking beneath the tide ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଜୁଆର ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେ ship ଟି ବୁଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା and it was going to be entered into the water ପାଣି ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲା and everyone was in fear and they knew that the ship was sinking beneath the tide the story of last stanza we are discussing. But even in his dying fear, one dreadful sound could the rover hear, a sound as if with the Inchcape well the devil below was ringing his nail. That means, but even in his dying fear, one dreadful sound could the rover hear. ହେଲା something it is written here for the person Sir Ralph. Even in his dying fear, he knew that he was going to die. ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ମରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି, ମରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ. one dreadful sound, ଗୋଟେ ଭୟଙ୍କର ଶବ୍ଦ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭିଲା. So one dreadful sound could the rover hear, a sound as if with the Inchcape veil. And now when he was dying, he heard and the noise of that Inchcape bell which was ringing. हाँ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ Inchcape bell ର ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ. And the devil, he knew that the devil below was ringing his nail. ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ? ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ he was being called by हाँ so he thought or he was going to gain a lesson. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ସେ ପାଉଥିଲେ ଯେ କ'ଣ? It was the sound of his death. And who was ringing it? The devil below was ringing his nail. That means he was inviting that villain which was known as Sir Ralph the rover on the sea was dying, and during his death he was hearing, or he was able to hear the sound of the bell which was ringing, and it seemed that he was there into the water, and it was the sound of the devil. The devil was inviting to the villain through his sound or through that noise. And what kind of noise it was? It was the noise of that Inchcape bells ring. बुझिएला कि नहीं? So in this way the topic is ended. किन्नेल नहीं, नेल बोली कहले the sound of death. ହେଲା ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସୂଚକ ଧ୍ୱନି. ବୁଝିହେଲା?
The sound of କଣ ସେ?
Sound of death, ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସୂଚକ ଧ୍ୱନି. ହେଲା? That means that means the person Sir Ralph knew that he was dying very soon. ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅତି ଶୀଘ୍ର ମରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି. One dreadful sound could the rover hear, and he was now listening or hearing a sound, and that was the sound of the devil. And the devil below was ringing his nail. ତାର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ସୂଚକ ଧ୍ୱନି ଦ୍ୱାରା he was inviting the another devil. He was inviting another devil. And who was that another devil? The person Sir Ralph, who was the rover. ବୁଝିହେଲା? And in this way the topic is ended. ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ topic ଟି ସରୁଛି. ହେଲା? ରଖ ରଖ।
ନମସ୍କାର।
ନମସ୍କାର।